Howdy, it's Jim Arado, and this is early January 2023, and we're about to head into the tunnel, going from Gatlinburg to Pigeon Forge on, I guess you'd say it's the Gatlinburg Spur Road, and it's the tunnel. I guess that's how you'd say it. There is no tunnel if you're going from Pigeon Forge to Gatlinburg, but if you're going the other way, there is a tunnel, and they have it closed from January to April of this year, doing some repair work. We came into town kind of early afternoon on a Friday, and you could tell it was definitely affecting traffic, and things were kind of slow. And a little bit into the evening, it was a little bit of a jam there too. But I know we left on a fairly early Sunday morning, and it was no problem at all. This was the next day. This was on Saturday, and probably afternoonish, I guess, and it wasn't too bad. But I thought, if you're familiar with that tunnel, you might want to see what it looks like when it's getting some repairs. The video might be more interesting a few years from now, but I thought I would go ahead and put it up, just to give you a little look at it. Those barriers are a bit tight, but we got through. I know they were asking people not to honk their horns as they went through the tunnel because there's workers there. I don't know why people get so excited about honking their horn in tunnels, but they do. But yeah, that was just a quick trip through that tunnel. And if you're familiar with Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, I'm sure you know that tunnel. And so it's getting some repair work there, and that'll be over with in April 2023.